color money.
What is going on, guys? My name is Nicky. So Samsung decided to ship me out the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and I've been using it for a couple days and I have a lot to tell you. This is my experience with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. So in this video, I wanted to tell you my experience, how it's been from an iPhone user's perspective. Now, I love the iPhone, I love Apple, but we never get a different form factor iPhone. And that's what I love so much about Samsung recently, is that they're risking it. They're doing different design and they're making technology fun again. This phone is not for everybody, but this phone is freaking so much fun to use. So let's talk about the small form factor, because this is one of my favorite things about this phone, is how small it is when folded. When it's actually unfolded, you get this very tall display, which absolutely looks gorgeous. I gotta say that the display is way too tall. Maybe Samsung could have made it a little bit shorter, and the actual volume buttons are way too high. So if you wanna like change the volume, it's kind of like a, you gotta use two hands to do that, which is, kind of meh. But the actual usability of this phone, I feel like it's really awesome. Yes, it's different. Yes, if you want to read a text message, you gotta open your phone, but that's where this guy comes in. The screen on the front. Now with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, what's new is that the screen is actually so much better and so much more usable now. So if you recently got a notification, you can simply swipe and actually read your notifications directly from the display. So the haters will say, every time I get a text message, I gotta unflip my phone, really? That's not really true. Like, you can simply look at it from the screen, and then if you don't really care, you can simply put your phone away. And if you do care, you can simply open up your phone. Now, that's cool. Also, once you're like in a call and you want to hang up on somebody, you can literally just do like that, and I mean, that's pretty cool. Check this out. This is seriously the coolest thing ever. If you want to take a selfie, you can actually use the actual main cameras to take selfies. Fun fact, the design really reminds me of the iPhone. It's kind of like a mix between a Pixel and an iPhone, but these aluminum borders and the buttons really look like the iPhone. Like, if you were to tell me like from here that this is like an iPhone Fold from like 2024, I could have believed you. Like, once you open it and you see it, you're like, okay, this is a Samsung phone. But from the sides, this is like a really Apple-y phone. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys agree. Now, what Samsung has done this year with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is solves everybody's problems from the previous generations, and they truly did that. First things first, this is an IPX8 water-resistant phone, so it can survive the rain. If you fall in the pool, get it out quick, but it should be okay. This is a big deal. Having a foldable phone that is water resistant is not an easy task to do. Can we just please take a minute, reflect on that? Like, that's seriously the coolest thing ever. But something that isn't an easy task to do, keeping your privacy safe. And that's when Trend Micro comes in. It's a mobile security app available on Android and iOS that protects you against malicious app, ransomware, dangerous websites, unsafe Wi-Fi networks, unwanted access to your devices, and so much more. My favorite feature is Wi-Fi protection. It's very useful because it keeps your information safe and private. It will literally create your own private VPN. It's just like you're inside of a bubble. Nobody can get inside of your bubble, and you're safe in there. So wouldn't you want to stay in a bubble? Well, now you can. There's literally so much that Trend Micro can do. And at the end, it's literally just to keep you safe around the internet and keeping all of your information private. So if you guys are interested in Trend Micro, hit the link down in the description. Once again, app on iPhone and app on Android, link in the description. One thing that I really don't like about this phone is the crease. Can you guys see the crease? You can feel it too. So do you get used to it? Well, obviously you get used to it. It's not like the worst thing in the world, but you see it, you feel it always. So like for the next generations, hopefully Samsung will figure out a way that the crease is not there. Even though the crease is annoying, I gotta admit that it's actually quite satisfying to do like this. Okay, I'll stop. It is satisfying. I gotta say, it is pretty satisfying to do. One of my favorite things as well about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is whenever you fold it in half, you actually, for example, let's say on YouTube, you will get the comments on the bottom and the video on the top, or on the camera app, where you will get a touchpad and you can simply swipe photos just like that. Flex mode is super cool, and I can't wait to see more apps adopting this. The photos look incredible, and the new ultra wide camera has also been improved. Video is still Samsung video. Like, come on. iPhone video will always be the best. I'm sorry, Samsung fans, but that's just the truth. With photos, you guys are good. But with video, it's like, it's good, but it's not like as good. I'm just saying. I'm sorry. Don't get offended, buddy. But it's true. Do I recommend the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and who do I recommend it to? That's the thing. I do recommend this phone, but I don't really know for who it's for. I guess my answer to that is it's just for fun people. If you're a boring person, get the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, get the iPhone 12 Pro. They will be amazing phones. But if you want that extra step, if you love technology, and if you truly appreciate these tiny things that just us as technology geeks, this just drives us crazy. It's just so fun to do. And to be honest, it's actually quite amazing that in 2021, this is actually happening. Foldable phones are actually good now. This phone is like a flagshipy phone. Decent price, still expensive, but decent price for being a foldable, and it's just tough fun. So if you believe in #BeHappy, this phone might be for you. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Leaving all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever.